Welcome to hip replacement surgery in virtual world.
Press any button to dislocate femur implant. Grab old implant from pelvis. Put it in kidney tray. Pick the reamer and start reaming. Start reaming pelvis. Good! You successfully rim pelvis. Put back drill in instrument table. Grab new implant from instrument table. Place new implant in pelvis. Pick spring tool from instrument table. Fix screw in implant. Put back drill in instrument table. Pick straight tool from instrument table. Fix screw in implant. Put back drill in instrument table. Grab cement mantle from instrument table. Place in the new implant. Grab liner from instrument table. Place liner in the implant. Press any button to fix femur in liner. Congratulations! You successfully completed hip replacement surgery.